let's have a look at our production at the factory. So as said, we are here in Kempele, close to Oulu in northern Finland. Some of you might remember that Cactos actually started from a small city called Muhos 4 years ago. We moved to Kempele approximately a year ago, and quite a few other things have happened since the days of Muhos as well. As said, Cactos started roughly 4 years ago. We were 7 founders back in the day, and now fast forward to today, we're more than 100 professionals working across multiple sites in Finland and elsewhere. Our most recent completed fiscal year ended at the end of April, and our turnover on consolidated basis was roughly 12.5 million euros. For the first time, we also posted positive EBITDA. Our revenue grew more than 4-fold from the year before, which again was more than 4 times our first fiscal year. Now, let's look at the interesting stuff. So the technology behind our systems. This is a battery cell. It's an LFP cell, a prismatic one. This is one of the only components that we don't manufacture here in Kempele, but this is the starting point of our products, and namely the DC block. Cactos designs and manufactures its own DC blocks. We are one of the few European companies who have their own DC block technology. The DC block, as said, has these LFP cells, and in addition, it has the battery management system, the cooling system, and various ancillary components. This is where we manufacture our DC blocks. So the DC blocks are first mechanically packaged, then they are sent into the robotic welding machine, which connects the cells into series, and finally they are sealed off for use in our battery projects. Our new DC block is very compact. It's more compact than most of the alternatives in the market, and it also makes our battery systems very conveniently sized and also competitive in price. So let's move on to have a look at the other parts of our factory. Shortly, we will be passing through our robotic warehouse machine, which conveniently delivers the various components and parts our people need to manufacture our energy storage systems, including not only the DC block, but also the AC side. Here in Kempele, our products go through the full manufacturing cycle. So we manufacture the DC block, we manufacture the enclosure, we manufacture the AC side, and finally we arrive at the testing area. This is where Cactos products undergo FAT, Factory Acceptance Test. Factory Acceptance Test is a quality control procedure with which we want to make sure that the stuff we ship lives up to the standards we require from our products. In the Factory Acceptance Test, we test all of our systems for maximum charging and discharging power, different market functionality, as well as safety. We use things like thermal imaging to make sure that all of our joints are appropriately tight and that our products are safe and sound for delivery to our clients. But now, we are done with the factory tour, and we can look at the exciting stuff, the new products.